Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add website shortcut to iPhone home screen. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, if you frequently go and visit a website, this is super useful thing, as there will be an icon on your home screen take you directly to the website. So this makes things so easy. Alright, to go and do this, you need to go and open up Safari just like so. Now what you need to do is go to the website you need to do this for. It can be Google search or website or YouTube page, just like so. It can be whatever really. In this case, I'll do it to YouTube channel. It's very simple. All you need to do is go to the bottom. There you will see the share icon at the middle. Just click onto it. Scroll down until you can see add to home screen. You can then go and name your shortcut. Finally, click on add at the top right hand corner. Click and hold on it, and you can position it where you want. And as you can see, when I click on it, it takes me directly to the YouTube channel. So that's it. That is how to add website shortcut to iPhone home screen. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.